End of summer, and just like it always happens, August, school starting, fall coming, everybody needs their car. So my shop's been loaded with just normal mechanical maintenance. But this one, the Opel, has been in here for 3 weeks now. And I'm just doing all the fine points. I mean, most of the body work was already done when I got in here. And that was months ago. And now doing all the lower rockers, wheel openings, all of the particulars. But I think I've got everything in final primer. The last 2 days I've been back here on this rear body panel because it was nasty and it had to be stripped, and you can't strip around a lot of this, so I had to do it by hand, but I've got it done. And this quarter was nasty. Today I'm going to do the final sand, and most of the time will be spent on these door jambs. Clean them up, and I'll paint everything except for the top and the front because that's flat black, and I can address that after I get it painted. The next move will be to get the doors and the deck lid on the bench and make sure they're prepped right along with this, so as soon as this rolls out, I paint the doors and deck lids so they all match.